Hi, Vidi. Welcome back to Tam Predicts. I'm sorry, I'm just adjusting right now. I think it's going a little bit slanting, but that's fine. So this is your April reading for the month of April. Let's see what are the messages. You've got to choose from two doors this time, door one and door two. So after you choose, you can take a second to meditate. Like I always say, take time to meditate. Just in your mind, see which door you want to pick or which door you're getting attracted to, whichever number. So let's start your reading. Before that, I want to say if you're new to my channel, I am Tam Predicts, and I'm a psychic medium, and I use a lot of methods to get guided messages from my spirit guides, my archangels, and my ascended masters. I'm a medium also, and I'm an empath. And I don't know why my tongue is twisting. Happens sometimes when you're doing channeling work, and because there's a lot of energy, and that's what I pick up, and that's what happens, and my tongue starts to twist. So these are messages for you. These are guided messages, but remember that these are, not for one specific person. Also, when I give you a lot of messages, remember that probably one or two are fine for you. They fit into your life or your situation. Take the message. Also, do whatever you think is fine, for you in the situation, because you know your situation the best. These are just messages to guide you, to put you on the right path, to give you an answer if you're getting confused between things. This is to give you an answer, just to show you that there is light at the end of the tunnel if you're feeling, not feeling good, or not feeling well otherwise, or any other query that you have in your head. So if you've stumbled upon my video, it means that you were here for a guided message, and I hope it really fits into your life. And so I'm going to start the messages. I'm going to channel messages. I'm also going to use a lot of tarot cards. I've just opened a lot of decks right now. I'm also going to use the romance angel cards. So this is a reading for April, and it will be about love, money, health, and romance, or any other messages that I have also channeled and written behind the door. So these are the two doors, door one and door two. Let's start with door number one. These are your April messages for your love, health, your money, any situation, and career, probably business, or any other message that I can give. I channeled some messages and I've written them here. I don't think you can read them. I'm going to read them out to you. So the first message I got, if you've chosen door number one, is ready. Ready for the challenges. So I don't know, it's like you almost prepared yourself, got your ammunition ready, and you're like, I'm ready for the battle. Whatever comes may, or whatever happens, you're ready for anything right now. It's also having the resources, or that inner strength and power to take on anything. It's like, or probably now have the right people in your team, and you're like, I'm now ready for new things. I have my team ready. So it's almost like ready for a battle, not really a battle, but yes, ready for any kind of challenges. If you've been facing any kind of challenges in love also, so you're ready to face them. Probably you were running away from reality, or you were not wanting to face what the real situation was in the relationship. So maybe that's going to be okay right now, so you don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to move on to the other channel messages. It says cordial relationship. So maintain a cordial relationship. Don't fight with anybody. Just let it be like the way it is right now. Okay, remember that. I also wrote maintain distance. So these are different messages. Maintain distance from someone, if you think the person is not really making you feel good, or you're not really understanding the person, or probably you both need to give each other some time, time away. So I think you need to maintain distance between you two, or whatever it is, probably not talk much, because if you know probably that if you're going to talk much, you're going to end up in a fight. It's going to be okay after some time, but right now I think you both need time apart. Also wrote, don't overdo something. So don't overdo anything, like trying to please someone, just overdoing it all in all, probably just saying complimenting the boss just to get a promotion, or don't overdo something, because the person will know that this is not your natural self, and just doing it for the sake of doing it. I also wrote, don't buy any big ticket items. So anything very expensive, if you can delay, for May, it will be good. But if you cannot, then after the 17th of April is a better time for you. Also get roses. I don't know if you'll give roses to someone, or somebody will give roses to you, or you like decorating your house with roses. I also got prepared, and I also got go for it. And so this is all about ready for challenges, prepared, go for it. Almost like I said, you were ready for the battle. And I wrote time. I don't know if time is going to be a problem. You're going to run out of time. You'll have very less time. You'll have so many things to do. You'll probably say that I don't have the time for you. Could be in a relationship or in the family. Probably you are so busy you don't have time for people in the house. So maybe around you, or in the family, or somebody very close to you. So you're going to say all those things. Now let's see. I'm going to do the cards now. I'm going to let's see. what the cards are saying. I'm going to channel through the cards. So if you've chosen door number one, I really feel communication is important. I feel you two communicate very well, but recently something happened and not talking to each other. So that's why maybe maintain the distance came. That's what I want to say. Yeah, I think you communicate well, but something happened. I think a misunderstanding or some kind of a little fight. But like I said, things will get okay. Don't have to worry about it. Prayer and contemplation. Connect with heaven, ask and you shall receive. So right now manifestation power is high if you've chosen door number one. Whatever you want, like we say, whatever we think becomes our reality, whatever we imagine becomes reality. So just start thinking of how you want your future to be, so that future will become your present. And just connect with God, connect with divine being, or connect with the whichever divine power that you believe in. That's up to you, but yes, I also feel keep the doors of communication open. I don't know why, but I'm getting very communication. I don't know if this is more like an air sign. I'm getting earth and fire. Probably I'm talking to these three elements: air sign, fire, and earth. And there's something to do with communication. Channel of communication should open up more. Probably you want to talk to someone, but somebody is blocking you, or something. Probably your throat chakra is not right. Probably you've not been feeling well in your throat. You've been you kept so many feelings inside. You want to say so much to the other person, but something is happening, and you're not being able to tell the person that how you feel, or something you're keeping inside. I also feel, I don't know if you're a dancer or you love dancing, but I also feel you need to express your gifts. There are some you born with some unique gifts and you're not using it. I don't know why, but I feel you're a good dancer, or you wanting to take part in a dance show, or you learning dance, or it just crossed your mind that you have to do something with dancing or something, learning a different kind of a dance. So all those things, I really feel this is an air sign, and I also feel this is a twin flame. This is somebody who's very much alike you. I don't know if you've got a sister who's very much like you. And I also feel that when you're with someone, I think that's a soulmate. You see the other person as a reflection of you. I mean, you're going to meet your soulmate, or two people who are very similar, probably in the family. Maybe it's your business partner, but it's like two people who are very close to each other and very similar in a lot of ways. That's what I feel. I also feel if you've chosen door number one, it's also a time to forgive someone. You need to forgive someone and move on. That's another message that I get. I also got the voice of truth. So, like I said, you've got your throat chakra is not healed because you've kept so many pent up feelings inside, and you've been wanting to say it all. You've been wanting to talk. I think either you're not getting a chance to talk to that person, or either the person is not open to talking, or is not talking to you, has blocked you. But this is you wanting to tell the truth. Probably you've done something wrong, the other person has done something wrong, and probably you finding courage, or you trying to see which time is the best to talk to that person. But I really think you need to talk, because I feel a very heavy energy where the throat chakra is closed, and you really want to say something to the other person. It could be your boss, it could be anything. It's like something you didn't feel right that's happening, probably in office, in family, whatever relationship, and you want to talk about it, and you've not been getting a chance to talk about it, and you're scared that should I talk or should I not talk. That's another message that I get. This is just thinking about something. This is cooking up a situation in your head, troubling yourself. I feel half headaches, migraines. This is just troubling yourself. This is just uh, keeping it all inside your head and heart, and this is not talking out. So maybe that's what's happening. Also get the color white. Color white is going to be very good for you, and I feel use wear color white. When I say use a color, it means probably a crystal of that color, or maybe yeah, write something on white paper. If you can wear white, it will bring you a lot of peace and calmness in your life. That's what I feel, and it will heal you also. Let's see what the romance angels are saying. Heart to heart conversations, and this came reversed. Exactly, guys. That this is what I've been trying to say. You've been wanting to talk to someone. Someone has blocked you. You've not been able to express yourself. Probably you do not know the right words. You're scared, if I say this, the person is going to leave me, or the person, or that I cannot mend things. I cannot mend the relationship, because this is a romance angel card, so I'm going to say more of a relationship. It's also you're seeing someone in office. I feel somebody in office, a co-worker or somebody who works with you, but this is certainly somebody has blocked you. You want to talk and you do not know what to do, and this is retreat. You already stepped back. Instead of talking, you're trying to step back from the situation. You're not going forward and talking to the person. Like I said, probably the person has blocked you or whatever. This has to be a heart to heart conversation, guys. If you've chosen door number one, it has to be heart to heart. and you have to find the courage. Unrequited love, it's not that the person doesn't love you, the person loves you, and I don't know, there is something just gone wrong in the relationship. Probably a month ago, a week ago, I get a number one a lot, and when I said a number one a lot, the counter was 1011. I'm telling you, this is something to do with number one. Either you were born on the first, like you were born in January, or probably just the birth date adds to one, or there's a one in your birth date, something to do with number one. You're not giving your relationship a chance. I think you feel the other person is not going to give the relationship a chance, and you've already made things up in your head, this cannot happen, and things are not going to go right, and I don't think I should speak to the person. So I think you just cooking up stories in your head, you already know the outcome. It's almost like, not even approach the person, but it's like knowing the outcome, that this is going to happen, the person is not going to talk to me. This is also you one of you, two of you, whatever, this is also going back in time, down the memory lane, remembering something, feeling nostalgic. I don't know why I get that one of you did open an album, and you were looking at pictures, and suddenly memories and a lot of things came flooding back to you. Those memories came flooding back, and they disturbed you a bit. I don't know for what. Sorry, I have to pick this up. I don't know why the memories disturbed you, but there was no. They were good memories, but they make you sad. They were good memories, you were missing somebody, you were remembering someone, but these are memories that are really making you sad. That's what I get. It's good to see the old albums or the pictures, but I think you suddenly missed someone. That's another message that I get. I don't know if it's your father. I don't know. Sorry if I am saying that, but I think this group did lose their father when they were very young. This is you missing somebody taking care of you. Like a very like your father or somebody. And I don't know why I say these words. It's like, you think your life has fallen apart and there's nobody to talk to. And I think your father did play a very important role in your life. Guys, some good news is coming your way. And I feel it's going to be around 6th April. There is a letter coming in from a job that you applied, or probably the person you love, you send a message or whatever, they're going to reach out to you, or things will get okay. This is victory news, this is good news in April. And I get a 6th or 7th April are very important for you. They're very good for you. That's what I feel. And if you feel that there was if you've been going around with someone, and probably, or if you've been married to someone, or you've been seeing someone for long, and you think things are not going right, and it's going to end, guys, I'm telling you, this is not going to end. This is going to continue. Okay, so I think you being fearful about a lot of things, you're fearing a lot of things all in your mind, but this is not going to end. This is not the end for the relationship or the situation, and in a good way. I told you 7 is going to be good. I got 7. It's almost getting all the riches, getting everything, whatever you wished for or dreamed for. I think going to get everything, all the cups, and the cups will have some will have wealth, some will have whatever you wanted, good relationship. I feel knowledge, wisdom, everything in abundance, That's what I see, and I think you will have there'll be money coming in around the 7. 7 is going to be a good date for you. I also get 7 things, good 7 things. I don't know what is with 7 here. 7 is anyway a lucky number. It's a lucky strike. You've been waiting for money improvements for a lot of months, for 6 months at least. I think that's what I feel. And now suddenly money will start coming in, start pouring in. Also remember, don't take up a job that looks very fancy, looks very nice, but it's not going to be nice. It's not going to suit you. I want you to really read the papers or read about the organization. There is a job that sounds very fancy and everything seems good about it, but like I'm going to say, not everything that glitters is gold. There is something wrong. I want you to dig deeper whenever, if you're joining something or if it's a new person you're meeting, I want you to do your homework. This is a special guided message for you guys, like the thinking man. Yes, think harder before doing anything. Okay, think hard, weigh your options, see what is right for you. So if somebody says, why don't you invest here, or this is fantastic, or you get a job that looks really great and you're like wondering, they're giving me the designation, they're giving me so much money, how can this be, am I lucky or something? I want you to do your hard work. Okay, I want you to see, either open up for more or wait for more options, or if that's the only thing right now in your hand, you really need to take care of not doing the wrong thing, and it might look very good on the face of it, but like I said, I really want you to do your homework on that one. A lot of people will feel imbalanced around 16th 17th of April. That's what I feel if you've chosen door number one. Not in a bad way, it's just like emotionally drained. I don't know, you'll feel emotionally drained around that time. I guess I also get the message again, don't overdo anything. I don't know what it means. Um, don't go beyond, your capacity or something to please someone, or or to do things, and don't overdo also, because you're going to you know the other person is not going to feel good, when you're doing something. It's kind of obsessive behavior, or I don't know what it means, but yeah. So those were the messages for you. Let me see if I can give you any charms, numbers. Like I said, let's see what numbers I can give. I've got my charm box here. I'm using it after a long time. Let me see what number is good for you. I gave you a 6 and a 7 though. See, I told you 7. Sorry, it's moved. It was a 7. I don't know. Okay, this is a 7. It had moved a bit. 7 is a good date for you guys. This is somebody, you're going down the memory lane. So you've got blue and a green. So these are good colors for you. It's matching my nail polish blue. Yeah, blue is going to calm you. Green is good. I also got a pink. Pink is going to be nice for you. I don't know why I got a bubble gum feeling. I got this smell. Do you chew a lot of bubble gum or something? You like bubble gum? This is water sign. Fish. I don't know why you're going to say, oh, fish. Do you say, oh, fish a lot? That's what I got. Oh, fish. You love eating fish. You say, oh, fish a lot. You're a water sign. I get a lot of Pisces here, if you've chosen door number one. One message needs to be given. I cannot close the reading. A lot of times I do that, it is that one message for somebody, has not been delivered. I have to do it, otherwise I can't close it. And I have this feeling that, how can I just move on? Higher learning. I told you somebody's going to, this month will make you grow, will make you learn new things. Like I said, either it's like your dance, or going back to school in a way, or reading, or also knowing yourself better. It's almost reading your mind, knowing your intuition. So there is higher learning involved. Or suddenly you will get attracted to a subject you've never read about, whatever it is. I don't know, I get a lot of E here. E for egg. I don't know why. Is your name begins with E, something to do with E? That's what you got interested in, the subject. Something to do with E is really you get attracted to E, somebody's name or a place. Do you get attracted to Egypt? Do you want to learn about the Egyptians? I don't know, I get a lot of E here. I also got the word enjoy. So enjoy April. April is going to be good for you, door number one. So I'm going to move on to door number two. And door number two. If you've chosen door number two, there are some guided messages that I wrote. These are all channel messages. Let's see what I wanted to say to you. Number 4 is important. Missed opportunity. So don't miss an opportunity. Did you miss an opportunity? Again, you're waiting for another opportunity. Maybe you missed an opportunity in the last month, in March, because this is a reading for April. I also get survival of the fittest. So either you really have to up your skills, or you have to learn something new, you have to survive, or probably you're in an office where there is a lot of competition, and probably it's not right for you here, and you already feel that things are not right, and you have to up the game, or something, or probably you've been lazy, but there is survival of the fittest, or there is some kind of a competition. Maybe there is one designation, there are two people fighting for that chair, for that designation, for that cabin. Those are the words that I get. But don't miss the opportunity, because I feel if you've chosen this door, you've already missed one opportunity and you regret it. I don't know what it was. It could be a relationship, could be business, any financial thing, any buying a land, and you wanted to buy that land, or somebody else bought that land, you offered a little lower price, something to do with that. All these things are coming to me. I also get a minor injury, so be careful in April. I know you really can't tell when you're going to have a cut or something, but I get a very minor cut, so just be careful, especially in the hand, or around the face. I get a right side more. So guys, when I say such things, these are all channel messages. Don't get scared. It's not that everybody's who's listening to it might get a minor cut or whatever. Just be careful. That's what I want to say. I get a thorn, so be careful. while you're moving somewhere, or probably from the plant or from the a thorn or something. So just like a little prick. So just be careful. I also feel that you've been waiting for someone's message. You send somebody a message, it's either not been delivered, they've not seen it, they've not answered back. Probably you asked a question to someone. That's another message that I get. Did you ask someone for something like, "Do you love me?" or "Should I do this?" or "Where are we?" Kind of asking a question, and you're really eagerly waiting for an answer. This is somebody is eagerly waiting for an answer if you've chosen door number two. I don't know what you asked, but this is almost wanting that you hear the sound that the person is going to call you, message you, or answer your question. I also got time and again. So this is almost being in a loop. Time and again, these things are happening to me. It's like you've been saying that again, this thing has happened to me. Again, I got okay, and again, time and again, I'm got into a loop. Things are not moving ahead. I'm going back in circles. So this is somebody stuck to a place, stuck to a person, stuck. Um, in a routine where there's a fight and you get okay, there's a fight and you get okay. I want to say things will get okay, don't worry. Just probably this is in April, things are going to be better for you, especially around 28th April. I get a lot of 28th April for you. Things are going to settle in a relationship. Like I said, I also got a number 4. So those were the messages. I'm going to do my cards and give you the messages. So these are love, health, whatever I can get, career, finance, lucky number, lucky color for the month of April. This doesn't belong in the reading. These are the cards. These are very pretty cards, very beautiful cards. Divine order, and it has come reversed. Do what you feel is right. An important lesson is unfolding. So you're not doing what you think is right. I think you've been misguided by someone. It's misleading information. This is not using your own brains. This is not using your own intuition. Somebody is guiding you wrong. I just want to say that. I get a lot of purple energy when I'm talking to you guys. I'm seeing purple right now everywhere. I don't know why. Is it because you need to heal? I get a purple aura. I get a lot of purple aura when I just pick up door 2. It's like getting healed, trusting the heaven. Archangel Michael is here and he's saying, of course, you have to trust the heaven and surrender to your concerns and allow a miracle to happen. So this is you've been worried about something. Somebody has been misguiding you, not getting the right guidance, not being put on the right path. You do not know whom to trust. That's not the message that I get. Not trusting anybody. I don't know if your trust was broken, something to do with that. Somebody was not honest with you. Either it's in a relationship or you're probably your business partner or office. I feel you were surrounded by negative energy. I really feel that. And for that energy, I get a lot of orange, or I get a lot of red. And it is like somebody always angry, somebody who's always irritated. That's what I get. Somebody around you was always angry or irritated and it rubbed off on you. Show a little care and compassion, okay, in whatever situation you are. I also get you need to care for somebody in your family. Also offer a helping hand. If somebody, a friend or whoever, has come to you and wants some kind of a help from you, please help that person. The person is actually needy. The person is not lying. Those are the messages that I'm getting. It was very difficult for the person to ask you for help, but the person has asked you for help, so do help the person. That's what I get. You're safe. Angels stand alone. You've not been well, or there is something being wrong, and you're not trusting anybody at all. I don't know what happened. Was it a very bad breakup? Something really bad happened in the office with a partner? This is actually somebody who will not trust anymore. You are into that energy that I cannot trust anybody. Even if you have somebody good around you or somebody saying the right thing, I think you had a very bad time with someone. You need to love yourself and accept. That's why care, compassion, love, everything is coming. You need to probably heal your heart. You need to heal yourself. You need to start trusting people again. You need to accept people. And it's like somebody is always putting you down. Did put you down, and you've lost confidence in yourself. That's another thing I get. You don't realize your self-worth. You are worth much more than you think. And you need to choose sorry, why did I say cheese? You need to choose loving thoughts. It's almost like you've got so much hatred. You build up so much hatred that you're like, I'm not going to love again. I am not going to trust anybody. I don't believe what people say. I don't think anybody is honest in this world. I was misled, I was misguided, and that was a total lie. Door number two is totally different. Those are the words that I get. Let's see what the relationship cards are saying. These are the romance angel cards. Need to pick it up, guys. Sorry, I have to pick up the cards. I am going to use this card. It says, give your relationship a chance. I feel you've stopped trusting people. And it's like, I just get the words that you're saying, I'm not going to love again. I cannot trust anybody. Reconciliation. For some of you, probably there is no reconciliation. Gone is gone. You've left the person. A lot of reversed cards coming for door number two for April. I think you will meet somebody new. For some of you, you're going to meet someone. I feel through friends. Through friends. This is not online, but this is through friends. I think your friends know that you become so lonely. You're not meeting anybody. That's another story that I get. And they're really trying to get you out and meet people. That's what they're going to do. They're going to fix you up with someone. You're going to find your true love. If you had a really bad relationship, I feel the next one or the one now that you'll meet. Whoever new you'll meet will be your true love. And I really feel you need to trust again, because I feel you've got this negative energy, a very heavy energy, very negative, that you're not going to trust anyone anymore. I think you're so broken. I'm going to use those words. That's what I get. Really broken. It's very hard to fix you, but you have to fix yourself. Maybe that's why I'm getting a lot of purple energy, because you need to fix yourself in a way. It's also not parting with your money. It's like probably somebody, it was your business or something, that somebody stole money from you, or did something in the accounts, or stole something from you, and you're feeling very bad, and you're left with very less part of that money. Probably they took the chunk away, and they're enjoying their lives, and you were left with nothing. I told you four number. Remember, this is four. Something to do with four. I think you need stability in your life. You're totally shaken up. Those are the words. I'm going to read what missed opportunity, survival of the fittest. So this is what happened. Waiting for WhatsApp. So probably you were waiting for something, and somebody dumped you, duped you, or something. And you really didn't know what happened. I think it happened out of the blue suddenly. Four is. I think you're looking for stability now. This is, you want stability back in your life. There will be love. I told you there's going to be love. Somebody's going to help you also. If you ask for help, somebody's going to help you. Remember that. If you've applied for a loan, or if you asked for any financial help from someone, there will be help. Somebody is going to give you money if you need money to start a venture again. You have to trust people again. It's just knowing who's right and wrong. That's more important. It's not that you cannot trust anybody. Don't get into that energy or that thinking. It's not good for you right now. Okay, don't do that. Sorry, let me adjust, because the light is getting low. Yep, you've been cheated upon, deception. It's been 18 months. It's been 8 months. Things are going to be right, guys. Things are going to be better after 15th April. Don't worry. You're already on the road to recovery, is what I feel. 7th came for door number 1 also. I think after devil. Why did I say devil? It's not a right thing to say. I had to say it. I think the devil energy will be over. It's almost like you had a devil in your life. Why? Or probably people told you that that person was such a devil and you're such an angel. I got a devil in my mind. Somebody really did you wrong. They really did wrong to you. Door number 2. I told you stability will be there. Just wait for a few months. After it will start from April, but by October you should be settled. Whatever you've missed, or whatever you've lost, or whatever has happened is going to settle. Don't worry. I think a lot of hard work is required. This was burden. This is last, I told you, 10 months, 8 months, 18 months. A lot of burden you were carrying. You were carrying other people's load also on you. Responsibility. Totally not being able to reach your goal, not being able to do anything. There's also giving up in the middle. Not even reaching, not even close to your goal. Somebody is really burdened. Look at this, carrying a lot of load on the shoulders. Financially, otherwise, somebody was not in your family and you were drained of money. It's like hospital visits again and again. A lot of operations, those are the words that I get. Door number 2 is totally different from door number 1, and this came for door number 1 also. For door number 2, I feel within 6 days there's going to be a good news for you. So whenever you're listening to my video, just add 6 days to that and things will be fine for you. 10 is going to be an important number for you. That's another message that I get. Number 10 is going to be important. Number 4 is important. Like I told you, missed opportunities, because this has come reversed. A lot of opportunities you missed. You didn't trust anybody. So a lot of doors did open for you. I think you were in that energy of not doing anything. It's not just being lazy, but when you close yourself and you're like, I do not want to do anything. That's the energy that I get. Things will be fine. Next 3 months are going to be good for you. Start working for it now. Look at this card. Blossoming abundance. Things are going to be right. Don't worry. You've had a bad time. It's over now. That's what I want to say. You know, there was deceit. I'm telling you, there was deceit in some way. In the relationship, financial, business-wise, partner, bosses, co-workers, co-worker. I don't know. Something really went wrong. One more card I want to take. I'm going to do charms also. Let me see what numbers also I get from the dice. I'm going to do the charms. Inner strength. You've got to build in your inner strength. Don't feel weak. You'll feel better, okay? If you've been feeling weak. It says move back to wholeness. So move, get your power back. This is more like get your power back the way you were, you know. I get a lot of fire sign. I get a lot of earth sign in this. Fire sign, earth sign, is it for you? I don't get air and water. I don't know why. But I don't think door number 2 was for air or water at all. I get a lot of fire. Get your fire back, get your energy back, get your power back. You know, don't give up. If somebody's done wrong to you or something, you know, fight. You know, you have to fight it. Recognize that you have the power, so don't lose it. Sorry, my throat, because I have to talk a lot. Have faith in humanity. I told you guys, have faith in humanity. Stay calm, trust the good in yourself and others, see the light in the world. So you thought, you know, there is no light at the end of the tunnel. This is what it is. There is light at the end of the tunnel, and somebody is going to offer you a helping hand. And you are someone who loves nice perfumes, colognes, or you put different flowers in your house every day. You light incense. This is a lot of, I'm getting a lot of aromas right now, mixed, but very beautiful light ones. This card is coming again and again, though I told you this is not for more air sign, but I feel your communication gates will open again. If you've missed an opportunity, somebody's going to reach out to you. Somebody from the past is coming back to you. I don't know, it's not just a relationship, but somebody you thought you've lost contact with, or somebody from the past will come back into your life and will help you with something. That's another message that I get. But you got to get your strength back. That's another message that I get. Love and peace reversed again. All the cards are coming reversed. Not believing in anybody, not having a very peaceful life, not believing in love. So this is almost giving up on everything. Don't worry, guys. Things will be good in April. Let me see what number can I give you. 8. It's 8. 8 is also a loop sometimes, so you'll be out of the loop after 8 April. Let me see what charms. Sorry for the noise. Butterfly. You're going to transform. Going to get your power back. You're going to become different. You're like, now nobody can mess with me. Probably you were vulnerable, totally drained of all the emotions. Now you're totally drained. I think somebody is very cold, or you've turned your heart really cold. This is blue stone. Normally I love the color blue, but when I hold this right now, it's like, no emotions. I'm getting cold. This is totally, you've closed yourself to the world. And I'm suddenly seeing a lot of blue also right now in my mind. Cold, frigid, when you turn blue totally, there's no emotions, no blood, no red, no love. That's what I feel. I'm not very sure. Could be a water sign, but I didn't get a water sign in this one. Didn't get a water sign at all. E for you also, guys. E is going to be important. I don't know what E means to you, the alphabet E. I'm not going to look at. I'm going to take out. Yes, white, lost the fire. I get a lot of red also for this door number 2. Either somebody around you was really angry, or you lost love and you're looking for love and you really want love back in your life, missing a partner, now started feeling lonely. In April you start feeling lonely. I think you said I'm not going to fall in love, but I think in April you'll start getting those feelings for someone, or somebody will really come in your life suddenly, and that's what I feel, and offer you stability. One more card. Things are going to be okay, don't worry. That's what I feel. But don't become greedy in any situation. That's another message that I get. Okay, don't become greedy. Whatever you're getting is fine. If you missed an opportunity, if you've got one opportunity, it's not that you don't want to apply to it. You're going to wait for another job or whatever. If you're looking for a life partner and you found somebody nice, don't do that. I'll wait and I'll meet more, 4 more new people, 5 more people. Don't do that. Don't get greedy in any situation. Is also my channel message to you. So those were your readings. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section what did resonate when April ends, or whenever something happens and it's similar and it fits well in your situation. And I'll be back again with another kind of a reading soon. Thank you so much for listening to me. Take care. Bye.